Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Drupal CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6. Drupal is a web content management tool and customizable platform that helps to build the right tool to serve the content management strategy. It is used by business and technology leaders to create real-world enterprise solutions that empower web innovation. This tutorial covers the installation of Drupal CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6. First, I am going to check the installed version of OS using cat command. It is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to install the PHP required modules. Now I am going to log in MySQL as a root user. Enter your MySQL password. Now I am going to create the database by the name of DrupalDB. Now I am going to create the user by the name of Drupal user. Now I am going to grant the all privileges on the DB to the Drupal user. Now I am going to flush the privileges. Now I am going to exit MySQL. Now I am going to download the Drupal package in download directory. The download is completed. Now I am going to unzip the zip file of Drupal. The package unzipped. Now I am going to move the directory to following location. Now I am going to change the group and owner permission for Drupal. Now I am going to change the permission for the Drupal by using chmod command. Now I am going to create the virtual host to access the Drupal. Press I to the insert mode. This is our domain name. Now I am going to mention document root directory. Save and exit. Put the host entry. Save and quit. Now I am going to disable the SC Linux. Restart my Apache web server. Go to the browser. Search your domain name here. This is the welcome page of Drupal. Here choose your language. Here select your installation profile. Here I am selecting standard. Enter your database name. Here your username, DB username. Here your database password. Now the Drupal is installing here. Now I am going to configure our site. Here our site name. Here give a site email ID. Here give your username, admin. Here enter your password. Re-enter your password. Now save and continue. This is the welcome page of Drupal. Here you can configure your Drupal configuration. By this, the installation of Drupal CMS in Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.